Meaning of dialect.
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 Dialect. Dialect refers to a particular form of a language that is specific to a particular region or social group. It can include unique vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, and syntax that differs from the standard version of the language spoken nationally or internationally. Dialects can arise for various reasons such as geographical isolation, cultural differences, and historical events. Dialects can be a source of pride and identity for communities but can also lead to misunderstandings and communication barriers between speakers of different dialects.